Hi, my name is Ben Chung, and this is a chronological Learn Through Time introduction video. I'm proud to present the 8th game in the Tech Deck family of games. Chronological is a history genre game and educational genre game. So educational genre games have facts and figures play a role in the game, and players learn something interesting as they go through the game. And chronological is also a party and family game. Historical genre, historical games deal with past events or significant developments as part of the gameplay. The mechanics in the game use important dates, figures, and events in history. Game setup and objective. The objective of the game is to place inventions related to concepts depicted on the tech deck cards into chronological order while also providing inventor and invention information on the cards. You can play in either cooperative or competitive mode. The game ends when there are no cards in the deck and no cards in any player's hand. In competitive mode, the player or team with the most points wins. In cooperative mode, you can see how many right answers the group got. This is just a quick view of how the game is set up. Be sure to check out the play guide video for more details, but essentially you find the 5 of technology, computer networking, place it in the play area, and everybody draws 7 cards. Gameplay. Again, you can see the play guide video for more details on how to play the game, but the basic concept is that you'll announce a card and players will provide information on the card that got announced, and you'll score based on the answers you got right. You'll draw your hand back to 7 cards and then pass the first player marker if you're playing with more than 2 players. So The basic flow is more or less the same for solo play, 2-player play, or more than 2-player play. You'll announce a card, and you can play in either competitive or cooperative mode, individually or in teams. And in either competitive or cooperative mode, the player with the first player marker, or the first player, or the active player, will announce a card in their hand, and then other players will provide information on that card that got announced, providing information about the invention and inventor and date. And then you score points based on the information you got right, and then draw your hand back to 7. So here we see an example of a 2-player game in play, where player 1, who's the active player, announces a card from his hand, the internet, 2 of knowledge, and the other player will try to give information on the who and the what and the when for the card, providing information on the inventor, their invention, and using a token to place it in the chronology of cards already in play. Again, you can see the play guide video for more details on how to play, and it also goes over details on the solo mode, the 2-player mode, and the more than 2-player mode. The end of game. The game ends when there are no cards in the deck and no cards in any player's hand. In competitive mode, the player or the team with the most points wins. In cooperative mode, you can see how many right answers the group got. Tech deck concepts. The tech deck has 3 basic key concepts. It modernizes classic playing cards, bringing them into the 21st century. Unique game card effects enhance any classic card game, and each of the tech deck cards has modern concepts depicted on them. For example, here we see the 6 of technology, which is software, and effects create interesting interactions to provide replayability. The tech deck is versatile and portable. The small form factor is easy to carry wherever you are, whomever you're with, and whenever you can enjoy gaming with the tech deck. Games long and short, casual and serious. The tech deck is a game platform that you can play many games with, and the family of tech deck games will appeal to many different audiences. It'll speak to hardcore gamers, non-gamers, in party settings and family settings. This is the current tech deck family of games with more on the way. Tech Grid Poker is 2-dimensional poker. Tech Chess is a chess variant where the tech deck cards represent chess pieces. Cardle is a head-to-head code-breaking game. Tech City, a city of cards, is a semi-cooperative game where the tech deck cards represent buildings that players build and industry that players build in the city. Gears of Industry is a personalized card game where players customize their own tech decks and play in a head-to-head game. Chronological is this game. Learning Through Time is a educational and history game. Tech Exchange is a real-time stock trading game where tech deck cards represent stocks and the stock market grows in value based on what players trade. Elevator Pitch is a creative party game. And the tech deck games also explore different genres of gaming. Tech Grid Poker is a poker variant game. Tech City is a tile laying game. Tech Exchange explores the real-time genre of gaming. Tech Chess is a chess variant game. Gears of Industry is a personalized card game, a personalized genre of games, which falls into the genre of games that include things like D&D and Magic the Gathering. Elevator Pitch is a creative party game and idea generation tool suitable for casual party settings. Cardle is a head-to-head code breaking, falls into the deduction and puzzle game genre. And finally, Chronological falls into the educational and history genre-based games. So thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out the play guide video to Chronological to get more details on how to play, and also my YouTube channel for other tech deck games, the intro and play guide videos on how to play the other games. And you can check out my website to follow the link below to my website to the other tech deck games. And check out Board Game Geek as well, which has all the resources listed as well. So thank you again for watching the video, and I hope you get a sense of what Chronological is.